Let's take you to Mumbai because that happens to be the birthplace, the place where Rohit Sharma played all his cricket. So Rohit Sharma's house, these are pictures I'm told right outside Rohit Sharma's house in Mumbai. Celebrations happening there. Rohit, of course, now second on the list of most successful Indian captains when it comes to ICC trophies with 2 titles. Only MS Dhoni has more with 3. Let's soak in the atmosphere right outside Rohit Sharma's residence in Mumbai.
Well, I'm not sure how much loud I can hear you or you can hear me. Such is the loud celebrations here in Kanpur, and I'm sure that such as the scene of across every part of the country right now. You can see just beside me there are dhols, they're screaming going across every part of the city right now. We are right in the middle of the road. You can see people dancing. After the great win of India in the Champions Trophy, you can see there are people who have been indulged in the celebrations. It feels like a festival. There are people like me. कैसा लग रहा है मैच जीती?
बहुत ही बढ़िया,
मैच क्या लग रहा है? किसको लग रहा है?
बहुत ज्यादा खुशी हो जाएगी इंडिया जीतेगी तो।
आप बताइए।
आज हमारे कानपुर के लाल कुलदीप यादव ने पूरा मैच पलट दिया। अगर वहाँ वो विकेट सचिन रविंद्र के विकेट और विलियमसन के विकेट न लेता तो ये मैच का परिणाम कुछ और हो सकता था। कुलदीप यादव।
So you can see such a celebration right now. People here are dancing on the middle of the road. Those are being played, and you can see there are people from every age group, whether it be the small children, whether it be मैं बात करूँगा आपसे कैसा मैच लग रहा था कैसे मजा आया भैया आज ये मैच ऐसा था हमारा हिंदुस्तान हमारे दिल में है और हमको गर्व है कि हम लोग हिंदुस्तानी है एक बार लगा कि मैच हार सकती इंडिया हार सकती लगा ना
नहीं बिल्कुल कभी लग ही नहीं सकता है।
होगा कुलदीप यादव पे क्या कहेंगे लोकल हीरो हमारे कानपुर का
नहीं
लोकल हीरो कानपुर का क्या कहेंगे उसमें कुलदीप यादव पे
कुलदीप यादव की वजह से पूरा गेम पलट गया भैया। कुलदीप यादव विराट आए आगे चले गए, कुलदीप यादव पूरा गेम पलट दिया।
आज हम बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहते हैं रोहित शर्मा और हार्दिक पांड्या की सबसे हमारे देश में रोहित शर्मा।
Okay, we saw scenes from Kanpur going a little further away from Kanpur to the capital of Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow. Samar Srivastav joins us live from there. Over to you, Samar.
Exactly, Nikhil, after an emphatic win, the atmosphere in Lucknow's heart, that is Hazratganj, is quite electrifying. And if you see the youngsters out here have come in large numbers, even the crackers, the firecrackers happening in the state capital Lucknow with these national flags, youth waving all around, even the picture of Rohit Sharma around the mobile phones, and these crackers clearly tells the story about the excitement of Lucknowites, people of Uttar Pradesh, who are celebrating this emphatic victory of Team India against the New Zealand. You can see the photograph of Indian captain Rohit Sharma around the mobile phones of this excitement. How are you feeling? What's the feeling after the India's win?
I love India. Rohit Sharma ने man of the match. I love Rohit Sharma.
कैसा लग रहा है?
बहुत मजा आ रहा है, जैसे कि देख सकते हैं भीड़ कितनी ज्यादा है। इंडिया जीत के एकदम मजा आ गया। इंडिया
क्या माहौल है, देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे, कैसा लग रहा है?
सर बहुत बढ़िया इंडिया इज द बेस्ट वर्ल्ड वाइड कंट्री इंडिया इज द बेस्ट
outside. As we move across this particular crossing, as you see the visuals out here, the Indian national flag out here. Okay, how is the feeling out here?
Okay, those were pictures from Lucknow. You can see the excitement amongst the fans there, just as we witnessed in Kanpur. Just exactly that is what we're witnessing in Lucknow, and I 100% agree. Even though there is no MS Dhoni, but a lot of representatives from Chennai, a few like Varun Chakravarti, who's been a star, who belongs to that state. Other than that, you have a few players that play for the franchise, including Ravindra Jadeja, who hit the winning run. So I'm sure Chennai would also be celebrating at the moment. Pramod, over to you.
We did celebrate in a big manner. In fact, we had our entire beach for us and everything here. We have two beaches, one is Marina and the other one is Elliott's. There were like thousands of people who have celebrated over here. Considering the government rule, everybody has started to leave. But of course, I have the fans over here. How was today's match?
Oh, it was a roller coaster ride for sure. We started on a high note and we were expecting to get over by 9:30, returned home early. But then we had our surprises, two brilliant catches for the New Zealand fielders, turned the game, and when Kohli got out in single digits, we were like heartbroken. And then we were like, okay, this is gonna not be our day or night. But then, of course, our batsmen have a depth in the squad. KL Rahul had the most underrated innings today. He was a Rolls Royce under pressure, kind of taking singles, converting onto the twos. That really took us. The small partnerships built up to a larger score, which kind of transformed our whole, score.
Like we thought, Rahul, that like Rohit, the captain would simply finish the match. Unfortunately, it didn't happen. So after that, what exactly happened?
Yeah, well, it's been a roller coaster again after being lost the Rohit wicket, and we all been started to play very cautiously, and we should not lose the wickets anymore. So the partnership slightly built up, but unfortunately Virat wicket gone, and in middle Shreyas and Akshar took the wicket, match good actually really well.
Let's take you to Kolkata. Anirban, my colleague, joins us from Kolkata. And one thing that you know with Kolkata is that they absolutely love their sport. They love their cricket. If there is one city that would be over the moon, it would have to be Kolkata. Anirban, show us the scenes around. We want to see the excitement that you are feeling in Kolkata at the moment.
Well, the scene right now is unexplainable. The scene right now is unexplainable. As my camera person Sam is showing you, that the people over here in the whole colony are all celebrating India's win and India's Champions Trophy win. There is lots of things that has coming in after Rohit Sharma's performance. But today, as Rohit played, what do you say? Rohit is a good innings was needed from Rohit, and he has delivered when it was needed. When it was most needed, Rohit has delivered, and he has proven why he is one of the best captains in India. Why he is one of the best captains. बड़े मैच का बड़ा प्लेयर आज रोहित शर्मा ने दिखा दिया है पूरे इंडिया को। रोहित शर्मा का जितना भी तारीफ किया जाए कम है। रोहित शर्मा नंबर 1 हो चुका है। The people जैसे कि समी के ऊपर में आवाज उठ रहा था, समी ने दिखा दिया है। क्या बोलना चाहेंगे? रोहित शर्मा, विराट कोहली। हम बोले आज रोहित शर्मा खेला है, उसको आदमी बोला था रिटायरमेंट लो, मगर आज रोहित शर्मा ने दिखा दिया अपना खेला को कि आज 5 साल और रोहित शर्मा इंडिया टीम में अपना कैप्टनशिप करेगा। वर्ल्ड कप दिलाकर रोहित शर्मा। Well, I don't know. Nikhil, I don't know that still I am living in Kolkata right now or in Dubai, because the players have played exceptionally well in Dubai after performing. It's an undefeated win, undefeated Champions Trophy win. And right now, Kolkata has just started celebrating, and it will go whole night. As you can see, the noise is higher and higher, very, very loud. And it's beyond decibel. Over to you, Nikhil.
Let's take you across to Kanpur. Simar Chawla joins us from Kanpur. Simar, we were trying to establish the connection with you earlier. I hope you can hear me this time. Show us what's happening in Kanpur at the moment.
Well, yes, as I said earlier, not sure that how much loud you can hear me, because such are the loud celebrations going on here in Kanpur. You can see just behind me, people have in fact started playing Holi. It's almost a week right now to the Holi to begin, but people have in fact started playing colors. You can see it in the middle of the road where the roads are being played, and the people in fact are stopping just behind me. There are people who in fact started playing the Holi. आप लोगों ने होली पहले शुरू कर दी?
सब आज होली हम ने एडवांस मनाई है। होली हमारी 5 दिन नहीं होके पहले हो गई। 5 दिन पहले हम लोग ने होली मना ली है।
ये बताइए कि कुलदीप यादव हमारा लोकल हीरो है, बड़े 2 इंपॉर्टेंट विकेट निकाले, नाम रोशन किया कि नहीं आज? More of talking people are interested in fact dancing and celebrating. आप क्या नाम है आपका? रविंद्र जडेजा।
रविंद्र जडेजा बहुत अच्छा खेला, इकोनॉमिकल बॉलिंग। कुलदीप यादव ने मेन 2 विकेट लिए और मोहम्मद शामी की अच्छी बॉलिंग रही। मजा आ गया। जय हिंद, जय
Some colors are being applied on me. Nevertheless, it's Holi. It's Holi time. It's celebration time for India. Celebrated as a festival. You can see that there is traffic jam already just because of the celebration, but also people are not minding it since it's a big win for India. And after years, the Champions Trophy have in fact come again to India. It's almost several hours have been passed, but the people have been dancing continuously. Yet again, Holi is being played. यार कब तक डांस करेंगे? कब तक जश्न मनाएंगे?
पूरी रात जश्न मनेगा। दीपावली बनी है, फिर होली बनी है।
कुलदीप यादव ने देश के साथ हमारे शहर का नाम भी रोशन किया।
जब तक सूरज चांद रहेगा, इंडिया का ही नाम रहेगा। आप सभी भारतवासियों की होली की ढेर सारी।
You can see now, they're trying to put some color on the forehead of the poster of Kuldeep Yadav, the local boy, who is in fact obviously made the country proud. 2 crucial wickets of Ravindra and also Kane Williamson, who had in fact a very good track record against the Indian cricket team. So taking 2 quick wickets, Kuldeep Yadav has done his bit, and the people of the city are in fact proud of Kuldeep Yadav and the team, which has won the Champions Trophy after the years. So such is the atmosphere of Kanpur. Back to you, over the studio.
Okay, thanks a lot for that, Zimmer, giving us all the lowdown in terms of what's happening in Kanpur at the moment. And just like every other city that we've gone to so far, celebrations galore in Kanpur. Of course, they have special reasons to celebrate. Kuldeep Yadav, one of the standout performers of this final, comes from the city of Kanpur.
Can you see this color on me? Can you see the gulal on me? Because people have celebrated Holi here for the win of Team India. You can see how much people are excited here, and because Team India has won, we are finally the champions. Be it the kid, it's the females, the males, all the people are cheering India here, and they are constantly very happy. They are in the jersey, they are having the Indian flag with them, and they are dancing. They are super happy. Let's talk to them. कितनी खुशी हो रही है? जीत गए फाइनली हम चैंपियंस।
फाइनली हम चैंपियंस। हमने न्यूजीलैंड से 2000 का जो बदला था वो आज वापस लिया और इंडिया की बहुत अच्छी जीत हुई। ये
आप लोग इतना ज्यादा खुश हैं। एक समय पर लग रहा था कि मैच हाथ से निकल रहा है, लेकिन फिर तो बहुत अच्छा कमबैक था।
पूरे एक्सपेरिमेंट से इंडिया आगे था। इंडिया ही आगे रहेगा। इंडिया आगे था, आगे रहेगा। कोई उसको हरा नहीं सकता। इंडिया आगे है और हमेशा आगे रहेगा। ऐसा एक बार भी नहीं हुआ कि इंडिया नहीं लगा हार जाए। इंडिया जीत ही रहा था और जीता, बिल्कुल जीत रहा था।
पर भोपाल सड़कों पर है, आप लोग सबसे ज्यादा खुश है लगता है इंडिया की।
बिल्कुल खुश होना भी चाहिए, सभी को होना चाहिए। बोलो इंडिया।
इतनी खुशी हूँ, मैं 6 बजे से 9 बजे तक यहाँ पे खड़ी हुई हूँ।
पेपर है पर इनको मैच देखना है। हमें मैच देखना है। इंडिया जीत गई, अभी भी घर नहीं जाना है।
पेपर की टेंशन नहीं है इंडिया की जीत।
हाँ, हमें बिल्कुल टेंशन नहीं थी कि इंडिया हारेगी। हमें पता था इंडिया हमेशा जीतेगी, हमेशा जीतती रहेगी।
People were very confident. They are saying that they were very confident that India is going to win the match. And you can see this is the Minal Street and whole Bhopal is on the streets and they are celebrating the win of India. कितनी खुशी है सर, कितनी बच्चों के साथ आए?
यस मैम, बच्चे के साथ आए हैं, बड़ा एंजॉय हुआ है। आई लव इंडिया।
आप भी काफी खुश है। होली खेल लिया।
ढोल चाहिए।
इंडिया इज विन। ए हिंजे भारत।
आप तो होली खेल लिए हैं इंडिया की जीत।
एडवांस में हैप्पी होली। इंडिया इज अ विन।
Let's listen in to the fans in Chandigarh. Aman, how are they feeling?
See, the fans are very excited after the victory, this historic victory, and you'll see the little fan is with us. क्या नाम है आपका?
Shachkar.
आपने मैच देखा, सेलिब्रेशन की, डांस किया? कि कौन सा प्लेयर फेवरेट है?
Virat Kohli.
विराट कोहली. आप ये कलर्स तभी लगाए हैं मैच के लिए? कौन सी क्लास में हो?
LKG.
अच्छा, LKG में. So we have her mother also with us. What do you have to say? Who's your favorite player and how was the match today? You also been dressed up like fully for the celebrations today.
Yes, we were fully confident that today India will only win, and like we were dressed up from home only, and we especially came here because the crowd here is so much, and we enjoyed a lot. And like हम दोनों का we have Virat Kohli favorite here, and we were waiting for this trophy from a last long time. And thank you, India, for playing so well.
So and the whole celebration was here in Sector 22 market, where the preparations were also fully flourished, and with the flags, with the LEDs. And we have another fan of Indian cricket team, Vicky जी मोहाली से आप हैं, तो ये पूरी आपने फाइल तैयार कर रखी है?
पूरी फाइल सर 2006 से है, मैंने अपने साथ रखी है सारी, और 1994 से लगातार पीसी स्टेडियम में जितने भी मैच हुए हैं वो मैंने सारे देखे हैं, और 2006 की कलेक्शन है सर, तब से मैं ठीक है।
आज की पिक्चर्स ली आपने इसमें जोड़ने के लिए?
आज की तो आपको पता न्यूज़ में पेपर में कल आएंगी, कल कटिंग करके ये भी रखूंगा मैं।
आप बता रहे थे आप विक्रांत के फैन हैं आज तक जो हमारे?
वो मेरे ब्रदर जैसे हैं, भाई है मेरे, वो जब भी मोहाली में आते हैं मेरे से जरूर मिलते हैं। जब भी
आज का मैच आपको कैसा लगा?
बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत अच्छा लगा सर, बहुत अच्छा। जिसको कहते हैं सर, इस बार ये
के लिए जिसका श्रेय आप देंगे?
जीत का तो सर सारी पूरी टीम का है, हर एक का शेयर नहीं है, ये सबका है।
90 से देखते आ रहे हैं, क्या आज क्या अलग लगे?
बस अलग ये है कि थोड़ा सा मुझे हुआ कि जो शमी जी को थोड़े से रन ज़्यादा काफ़ी पड़े और विराट जी नहीं खेले, ये थोड़ा सा फील हुआ, पर चलो फॉलो, फिर भी इंडिया जीत गई, हमें उम्मीद थी पूरी कि जीतेगी।
अब अगली उम्मीद क्या है आपकी इसमें जोड़ने के लिए?
अब अगला सर जो सीरीज आएगी, अभी तो फिलहाल IPL देखेंगे, मैच जो आ रहे हैं, उसके बाद फिर जो ट्रॉफी आएगी वो भी देखेंगे। मेरा विक्की है सर, मोहाली से।